Yung ate nyo, lumayas na naman ng bahay dahil lumakwatsa siya sa isang pinakasikat na simbahan na matatagpuan sa Maynila at tinatawag siyang San Sebastian Church. At dahil nga dyan, mag-i-English na ang ate nyo. Now, the history of San Sebastian Church, particularly the famous San Sebastian Basilica in Manila, Philippines, is rich with cultural, architectural, and spiritual significance. Stops! Alam nyo ba na itong simbahan na to ay gawa sa bakal? Punta ka dito. Okay, nakita ko lang tong isang pader. At curious ako kung bakal na siya. Ito ay semento. Pero itong portion na to is bakal na. Enjoy ko to rin magtapik ng mga ano dito. Ito isa. Teka lang, masyado na ako nag-enjoy dyan sa simbahan. So this church was established in 1621 by the Augustinian Recollects, and the original church was made of wood and palm but was destroyed several times by fires and earthquakes. So in 1880, they decided to build a more durable structure, which they envisioned a steel church. And it was a Spanish architect, Genaro Palacios, designed the basilica, inspired by neo-Gothic architecture with soaring spires and intricate stained glass windows. The basilica was prefabricated in Belgium. Over 50,000 tons of steel were shipped to the Philippines in 6 shipments between 1888 and 1890. In total of 1,500 Filipino craftsmen. Ako makapag-record sa loob. Hindi ko na malibot yung loob talaga ng simbahan kasi parang may ikakasal merong kasal pero buti na lang may na-interview pa ako doon.
Oo nga, made of metal siya, no? Yung architect nito, hindi ko matandaan. Nung bata-bata pa ako, alam ko hindi ko na matandaan. Si Wanak lang bukuha nito. O si Liano Roxin. Ito rin ito, nasa naman. Pero nga, kasi made of metal talaga siya. So kaya medyo kakaiba siya. Siguro influensya ng mga Espanyol kasi yung ganitong simbahan, usually Spanish ang mga nagpapagawa nito.
Hindi ko pa masyadong mag-ikot first time ko din sa church na to. From the outside, siya, yung parang mga panahon pa ng Spaniards or an old church. Yun. Parang may historical.
Yes, may historical.
Isang mamamayang nagtapos sa paaralang ito. Ang simbahan ng San Sebastian ay binuo ng material na bakal. At sa pagkakaalam ko, 8 barko ang nagdala ng mga materyales nito. Sa sobrang dami at bigat na ginamit na bakal.
Did you know that San Sebastian Church has a special place in my heart also? Because as a member of a church choir, it's not just about serving the church, but also I became a part of a family where despite all the turmoils, the ups and downs, and the age gaps also, because I'm the youngest and I didn't expect it to be loved and cherished, also appreciated by my own abilities, my talents, and my